दोस्तों, अगर आप करना चाहते हैं ऑनलाइन अर्निंग और घर बैठे कमाना चाहते हैं बहुत सारे पैसे, तो उसके लिए आप मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल लाजमी सब्सक्राइब करें, क्योंकि मेरे चैनल पर मौजूद हैं बहुत सारी वीडियो जिनमें बताए गए हैं ऑनलाइन अर्निंग के मुख्तलिफ तरीके और मुख्तलिफ मेथड। तो मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें और मेरा चैनल जाकर विजिट ज़रूर कीजिए।
Are you skilled in content writing, graphic design, or web development? Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer offer opportunities to showcase your talents. Connect with clients globally and earn from the comfort of your home. Participate in online surveys and earn rewards. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Taluna let you earn points for surveys, watching videos, or shopping. Redeem these points for gift cards, cash, or donations. Have products to sell? Platforms like Etsy for handmade items, eBay for new or used goods, and Daraz, Pakistan's largest e-commerce platform, can help you reach a wider audience and boost your sales. Turn your passion into profit by creating content. Whether it's videos on YouTube, gaming on Twitch, or blogging, build an audience and earn through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Gauge and grow your community. Share your knowledge and inspire others through online tutoring. Platforms like TutorMe, Chegg, and PackTutor allow you to teach various subjects and earn money while making a difference in students' lives. Promote products and earn commissions through affiliate marketing. Join programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or Affiliate Pakistan. Partner with brands, drive sales, and watch your earnings grow. Stock photography or video. If you're skilled at photography or video production, you can sell your images or videos to stock websites like Shutterstock, iStock, Adobe Stock, Pexels. Every time someone downloads your content, you earn a commission. Virtual assistants provide administrative support to clients remotely. Tasks may include managing emails, scheduling, data entry, social media management, and customer service. You can find virtual assistant jobs on Upwork, Fiverr. Social media management. Many businesses need help managing their social media presence. If you're good at creating content and engaging with audiences, you can offer social media management services. Online gaming and streaming. If you are good at video games, you can stream on platforms like Twitch or YouTube and earn money through ads, donations, and sponsorships. Another way to earn from gaming is by playing mobile games that offer cash rewards for completing tasks. Cryptocurrency trading. Although risky, cryptocurrency trading has become a popular online earning method. You can buy and sell cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum on platforms like Binance, Coinbase, Packcoin, local. Translation services. If you are proficient in multiple languages, you can offer translation services through platforms like Gengo or Prezi. This is especially valuable for languages like English, Arabic, Urdu, Punjabi, etc.